In fact, it's a funny story. One day somebody came into the pool room and he asked us if anybody wants to have a nose job. And you know, there were a lot of creeps hanging around the pool room. And he said, I'm practicing to be a, what do you call them when they specialize in changing your
Plastic surgeon?
He was specializing in plastic surgery. And he said, anybody that wants to have a new nose job for $25, just come on over to the hospital and I'll give you a new nose job. So about 5 of them went because there were a bunch of crazy guys hanging around. And a few months later, they came back to the pool parlor, hanging around again. And the big guys had a little nose. The short guys had a little nose. Almost all the guys had the same nose. He was only trained in making one kind of a nose. And everybody, all of those 5 guys that went, all had the same nose. It was really funny. But this is the kind of people we hung around with. It was a lot of fun. It was just a lot of fun.